Step by step, we'll light the way.
The purpose for these videos is to help in your healing journey. At the bottom, please like and subscribe to help spread the word. Popular eating plan among integrative holistic clinics in Arizona and Mexico would be a version of the following: Mediterranean diet, intermittent fasting, and juicing. Let's look at juicing. Juicing, especially from fresh fruits and vegetables, is popular among people with cancer as a way to boost nutrition, support detox, and potentially aid healing. While it's not a standalone treatment, juicing can offer some meaningful supportive benefits when done right. Juices concentrate vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from multiple servings of produce, useful if appetite is low. Common nutrients in juices like vitamin C, A, folate, and potassium help with immune function, tissue repair, and cell protection. Fruits and veggies are rich in antioxidants and plant compounds like flavonoids, carotenoids, and sulforaphane that may help reduce oxidative stress, lower inflammation, and support DNA repair. Juices are easier to digest than whole foods, which is super useful if you're dealing with nausea, mouth sores, or fatigue. They may even inhibit cancer cell growth. Plus, the high water content helps with hydration, especially during chemo or radiation. Juicing fresh greens like spinach, kale, and parsley, along with citrus, carrots, and ginger, can provide nutrients that fuel immune cells. You might find this really helpful after treatment when the immune system is often weakened. Juices made with leafy greens, lemon, cucumber, and celery are said to help alkalize the body and support liver detox. Fruit-heavy juices like apple, orange, and pineapple can spike blood sugar, which isn't ideal since some cancers are fueled by glucose and insulin. Juicing removes most fiber, which helps digestion and gut health. That said, for some patients with GI issues or blockages, low fiber can be helpful temporarily. Ingredient. Potential benefits. Carrots offer beta-carotene, an antioxidant that supports the immune system. Beets provide detox support, aid circulation, and promote liver health. Leafy greens are rich in chlorophyll, calcium, and magnesium. Ginger is known for its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting potential. Lemon gives you vitamin C, is alkalizing, and boosts the immune system. Berries are high in antioxidants like anthocyanins. Celery and cucumber aid hydration, act as mild diuretics, and are alkalizing. Juicing can be a powerful nutritional boost during cancer treatment and recovery. If you would like more information or to speak with a doctor regarding an individualized integrative holistic treatment plan, please reach out to us at FindHelpForCancer.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in the need of integrative and holistic treatments for you or your family member, please feel free to reach out to us at FindHelpForCancer.com. We'll start with a simple conversation and help point you in the right direction. Happy to help.